What's up, everyone? Going to be refinishing this workbench. It's my dad's workbench actually, and it's over 10 years old. It's been well used. I'm going to go ahead and get a little sanding action, maybe some hand planer action. Going to put a sealer on it and get it looking as new as possible. And this thing should last a super long time. It's made very thick lumber, and pretty much will last forever. We're gonna go ahead and seal it up so it looks nice again. Stick around. Alright, so this is what we got so far. You can kind of see the transition. Like super used, worn, all kinds of crap on top of it, to now still a little worn. It's got dents and oil stains in it, but the wood itself looks a lot cleaner. A lot of the crap's sanded off the top, so we're gonna get the rest of it looking like this. I think a lot of the oil stains will probably start to blend in once we seal it with oil afterwards, but it's going pretty good. Already gone through a few belts on the belt sander, so I think I'm gonna have to adjust. Excuse me. Breathing in a bunch of sawdust. I think I'm gonna have to adjust my technique with the sander a little bit so I don't go through quite as many belts. But yeah, I'm getting there. Well, we are just a little bit over halfway done stripping all the crap off this workbench. We can go a little longer with the belt sander, come back over for a final pass with palm sander, and probably be able to finish this off. Yeah, it's gonna look pretty nice. Still gonna have quite a bit of dents in it from hammering at it, and it might still have some visible oil stains, but this workbench still lasts at least another 10 years, easily. So I had a little bit of a delay, ran out of belts, went and got some more 40 grit instead of 80 grit, so that should take the surface down a little faster. Also got to remove the vise, and then I'm going to put a bunch of this stuff on the table, actually seal out any future oil or water stains. So getting there. It's going to take a little bit more work. Well, I got the sanding done. It's still a little beaten up. It's a well-used workbench. It's got some oil stains in it still and a few nicks and dings, but all in all, resurfaced pretty well. So you can go ahead and seal it and get a first coat on, probably put a second coat on in the morning. It'll probably be done. Not a bad afternoon project. Well, we got our first coat down. Set up pretty good. I'm gonna go put a second coat on here, just a second, and let that set up for a few hours, and it'll probably actually be good. Really liking how this is turning out. It's looking really, really good. Well, we are done. Second coat's on, and ready to put this workbench back into service. Look at that. Looks way better than it did before. Way, way better than it did before. Super, super satisfied. This should last a whole bunch of years before we gotta resurface it again. Can't wait. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. It's a little short, kind of simple, But if you enjoyed it, make sure you give the video a like and go ahead and subscribe to the channel so you see all my other content. And leave me a comment. Let me know what you thought of this video. I can certainly start posting more stuff like this if you enjoyed watching. Just let me know in the comments. Thanks.